Okay guys, for this, you're gonna use this End Beller of Mysteria and attack one of this Goblin Mount Demon. Afterwards, use the Cunning Wyvern and attack another one, which is 6 health. Then now, you're gonna summon this Dragon Tamer here and buff this guy here called Great the Dragonborn. Then you're gonna evolve him.
I'm only getting started.
I'm not the girl you used to know.
Okay, so now you're gonna use this conflagration. And then you're gonna use the blazing breath on the remaining monster there. Afterwards, just do your attack.
This shouldn't hurt.
That's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.